Hey, welcome to the ingredient channel, where I recreate and share authentic Chinese recipes every week. Spring is here. Greens like celeries are fresh and crispy, perfect for salads. So, we're going to make one today using the Chinese celery. This simple recipe exemplifies how fresh ingredients could provide the perfect taste without heavy spice. Comparing to the European celery, the Chinese celery has thinner stem and darker tones of greens. In addition to the appearance, the Chinese celery also has a more intensive flavor. After thoroughly cleaning the celeries, we are going to remove the leaves. And I'm keeping the leaves for another delicious side dish recipe. In today's recipe, however, we will focus on the stems. Shred the stems thin and cut them into about 3/4 inch long segments. Then I'm going to chop some raw shrimp, which are peeled and deveined. Add 1 tablespoon of salted tiny shrimp. Place the celery stems in boiling water to blanch. Add a teaspoon of cooking oil to reserve the color. Simmer for about 5 minutes. Take out. In a heated pan, add 3 tablespoons of cooking oil, a few Sichuan peppercorns. Heat them up on medium heat until the peppercorns turn dark. Take out the peppercorns. Add the shrimp mixture. Stir fry. Until the shrimp turns solid color. Pour the sauce on top of the blanched celery. Spray some salt. Mix and serve. The celery shrimp salad is a traditional recipe from the northeastern part of China. Savory and delicious, carrying just the right amount of seafood flavor to be perfect. Well, I hope you enjoy this light and easy salad recipe. Please subscribe, like, comment, and share the video. Thank you for your support, and I'll see you next time.